Hello, Tansei, bonjour, good morning, everybody. It's a new day here out in Alexander First Nation. I just wanted to do an update for my workout plan this morning. I decided to change things up here a little bit and do a outdoor workout class and encourage you to do the same because not every day should be the same. You should definitely change it up a little bit. So I'm out here, out on the land. The weather's nice, so I decided to work out outdoors this morning. And as you can see, the birds are in the background there, and it's really beautiful out. So it's a perfect day for outdoor exercising and activities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a jog. I'm going to jog through the res gauntlet. And probably I usually when I jog on the res, I carry a big stick in case the dogs try to attack me, because on the res there's a lot of res dogs, and they chase anything that moves. And I'll be moving, I'll be jogging. So I usually go for about a 5 kilometer jog. That's typically about 20 minutes to half an hour. And then, as you know, I do the stretches right after the jog, and then I hit the weights. I do have company over. My good friend Alex Wells, who's also a 3-time world champion, him and his girlfriend decided to swing on by on their way through in their travels. Instead of staying at a hotel, they're staying at my hotel. So I just thought I would share that with you and give you an update, say good morning to everybody, and hope that you guys are doing good wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. So anyways, I just wanted to say good morning and encourage you to do some outdoor exercises and activities as well. And this is like something I share on a daily basis. I just wanted to give you an update and encourage you all to stay healthy, to stay active, even going for a walk. Like, even if you don't jog, I like to jog. I jog. I don't jog very fast. I just jog at my own pace. And I would jog with the camera on and stuff, but it probably wouldn't be pleasant to view. So that's why I decided to make a little video first before I go. And just remember everything that I've been teaching here all along with everybody, and encouraging everybody to jog, to exercise, to work out on a daily basis, because calories don't take a holiday. And so it's a daily thing, a daily activity. And as well, you can check out Michelle Reed and her class, Pow-wow, or no, it's not Pow-wow. It's actually called Native Dance Fitness. So you can check her out. She does that on a daily. So anyways, I'm just about to get ready to go and jog. I just wanted to give you guys an update as to what I'm doing this morning. And I'm not on my regular programming. As you know, it's the holidays right now, holiday season. We still got to take care of ourselves and can't just eat all that fatty food and not doing anything about it. So anyways, here's my update. And I think later on tonight I will do a jam. I will do a live music jam. So for those of you that are tuned in, I'll do something special for this class tonight. I'll just have a little fun and turn on the camera, and I'll jam probably tonight about 7 o'clock my time. 7 o'clock sound good? Okay, well, I hope to see you guys there. I'll be jamming tonight. I'll pull out my guitar, and this is all free. It's all free. You guys can watch for free. So I got to get on my jog and finish my workout, and I hope that you guys work out with me and do your thing too. Okay, peace out. Have a good day.